All right, so it's September 22nd, 2019 at 10:17 p.m. Basically, I'm coming over here to the lead dashboard. Basically shows we're up to 437 leads. We have so many damn calls coming in. It's ridiculous. We are just coming to check to see the text messages that are coming in from the different campaigns that we've built. Once again, everything we do, we show the reals, under the hood stuff. It's what I'm teaching my son. It's what I'm teaching my family. This is what I intended on teaching the people that we teach. As you can see, we have Tampa campaigns running. We got people calling in, people responding, telling us what they want. We got people calling in telling us they have 10,000, 20,000, 25,000 to put down. That's Hip National Bank. So we're out here pulling up property. So this is what's coming today. Let's see. Yeah, 922, 922, 922, 922. And I'll be following up with all these guys tomorrow. This is what could be done. We have so many leads coming in. Looks like our input will be going from 15 to 20 houses a month. And I have letters of intent going out for apartment buildings also. We have filed for Janelle the excess proceeds campaign, which she'll be having her check for $84,000 coming in. And this is what I've done. I go to different places around the country and set up real businesses for people and show them how to really make money in this game. 17 leads from here came in today. We got another 11 leads here from the text messages and stuff like that. So this is what's there for anybody who really wants it. We have a new team that we put together, and guys, I mean, stuff is just going great. The Florida team, the Michigan team, we're expanding now to Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, Atlanta. Just doing what I know that we can do. This is 20 years in the game for me. This is the simple part. Making money in the real estate, having my son rock this, bringing in great guys from this first class that we brought in up in Detroit, putting them on our team, and hopefully you guys who aren't responsive anymore, you doing something that you want to do or enjoying your, whatever it is that you're doing. But for everyone who came and said that they wanted something different and they had goals and wanted to walk away from their job, well, here it is. This is under the hood. I'm showing you how we make it happen. 10 to 15 deals, 10 to 20 deals a month. You're talking about on average 100,000 to 200,000 a month. With properties that we're not wholesaling, we're keeping, we're continuing to build our family empire. This is for the Joneses. This is what we're serious about. All right. So hopefully you can see this and get some inspiration from it and rock this out for your family and build your family legacy. All right. Talk soon. Bye.